Well, party people, uh, is this Thanksgiving or Thanks Cryptos? Thanks, we need a new holiday. Instead of slaughtering the Indians, we need something, celebrate the rise of cryptos. And since it's going crazy right now on Thanksgiving Day, kind of, sort of, uh, maybe thanks crypto. That sounds stupid, but I'm going with it. Bitcoin, $8,200. Ethereum nearing its all-time highs, $410 right now. Thanksgiving Day, of course. Bitcoin Cash, back on the rise a bit, up 18%, $1,500. However, Bitcoin is not budging. In other words, last time we saw this, it was like Bitcoin was going to fall and Bitcoin Cash was going to rise, right? That volatility, Snippy played it, got himself an RV out of that deal. Litecoin, $75. Dash, 568, still around that price. What was it before? Well, I don't know if it was 89 or 86. Litecoin, 80 something. Mid 80s, we'll call it. It's getting close. $75, man. Neo still bouncing around that 30, 34, 30 something dollar range. EOS, $1.92. Boy, EOS is loving it up there near that $2 range. Omisa Go, $7.79, $8. It's bouncing around. No real movement there. I'm, waiting and hoping, of course, Cliff High's data on that was going to be super duper correct. That we see this thing just blast off at some point. Again, it's supposed to be in the fourth quarter sometime. When we got a month and a half left before the fourth quarter ends. Not to mention his data last time was about 2 months off. No big deal. Not like I'm in a hurry for any of this stuff to just blast off out of nowhere. Populous still over $9, $9.40. PayPal still looking quite nice. 73 cents. It's up almost 8% today. I know it had a big pop at one point. That pushed it up to 89 cents. But if that didn't happen, it would have just been hovering on 71, 70, 72, 73. And that's where it's at right now, 72. So there was a big push. It looked like it pushed it up in the 80s. Someone took some profit, gone. Back down. And the other interesting one, there it is. Digipulse. Look at this. Now, granted, there's not a lot of volume, but first it was like 12 or 13,000 volume, then it was 14,000, now it's 18,000. It's steadily climbing. This is nothing to write home about as far as volume goes. But we've seen coins with tons of volume not perform like this. We've seen coins with crap volume also plummet. So, Digipulse up 26%. Now, I told you the other day, if you got in on the pre-sale, it was approximately 46 cents, I think. And if you got in the regular ICO, I want to say it was like a 25% discount. So, 46%, 46 cents plus 46 cents, whatever, 92 cents. Minus 25% of that. So, you could shave another, 20 cents off that, whatever, call it a 75, whatever, something cents. But again, I was pushing for a pre-sale. Let's see if I can get my people, a little action, little bonus thing. But it did take 10 ETH. If you wanted a nice 50% bonus, you had to come up with 10 ETH. It is what it is. That's what they do. Can't argue with it. It is what it is. So those of us who did get in, $1.56 right now. Now, when I came out and did my video, it was up 2.5 times. Okay, $1.15, $1.20. So it's now 3 times, over 3 times, right? Because technically 50 cents times 3, $1.50, that would be 3 times. But we're not talking 50 cents, we're talking 46 cents. So this is more than 3 times. Again, nothing to write home about the volume at all, but the price is what the price is. If someone was to decide, I've got some of those Digipulse I want to sell, you're going to make a profit right now, bottom line. And this is one of those ones that wasn't really pushed across the internet and marketing and everything else like some of these other ones did. Like maybe my channel and a couple others really talked about DigiPulse, and that was it. I'm not really sure who really covered it. But again, that's on them. That's on these people who do these ICOs and stuff. They're responsible for the marketing. They're responsible for paying and advertising all that, right? I was one guy that saw this thing. Oh my gosh, it sounds like a fantastic idea. Which is essentially, you die and your online will lets your spouse or loved ones know, hey, this is their crypto portfolio. Here's how you access it, or we'll do it for you for a fee if you still don't know what to do. We'll help you, but if you can't figure it out, we'll send an email to you how to do it. If you can't figure it out, for a fee they'll help you. That was the premise. So that's interesting. Yeah, sure, it'd be nice to see a lot more volume than that, but that's okay. Total supply is 20 million tokens. And it does say circulating supply, according to CoinMarketCap, unknown at this point in time. But it'll be interesting to see where this one goes, amongst others. So just bottom line is today's Thanksgiving, and it's ThanksCrypto's day, and they are taking off very, very nicely. Records are within reach. Some of them already breaking records. Take care.